In this video, we will be checking how we can install Active Directory on Windows Server 2022. Presently, I have created a virtual machine in the name of Windows Server 2022. So if you go to winver command, it will provide us the Windows version. So to install the Active Directory, we will have to go to Server Manager. Here you can see here you have to click on Add Roles and Features. Before going to that, I will just show you the server details. The server name I have given as computer name SVM, and presently it is in work group. So we will install the Active Directory. So I'm going to uh, click on dashboard, add roles and features. So, and one more thing, we will change the name of this VM first. So presently it is having the name test VM. Instead of that, we will give us AD server. Okay, it may ask for a reboot. We are not going to reboot as of now. Restart later. Okay, so we will install the Active Directory, AD roles and features. Before you begin, okay, next role based feature based installation. Click on that. Next, it will ask you the server which is available. So the name change will take only after the restart. So while after installing the Active Directory, anyway we have to restart, and it's a lab environment, so I'm not so serious about the naming convention and all. So yeah, so test VM. I'm going to click on next. So here we have to create the Active Directory domain services. Active Directory domain services, add features. So all the features related to that will be selected default by the system. Click on next. So you can see some group policy management already the tick has there. So this is by default, the system will be selecting the features. Next, next, okay, and install. So presently we are installing the Active Directory, and after installing the Active Directory, we will have to promote this mention as a domain controller. So that we will check it in the next video. So once the installation is over, we will see it will go for a restart and see what options we have here.